Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of In My Dreams. It's a place where I'm living mine, and I'm going to teach you how to live yours too, because that's what life is about. And today, guys, we're just going to go on a little quick walk. This video is about staying motivated while living abroad. And it's actually pretty easy, you guys. And yes, as I said, this is just another quick video. Well, not another. It's actually one of the first quick videos. It's about staying motivated while living abroad. And I guess I do have a couple tips for you guys. And yes, today is another beautiful day in Chiang Mai, Thailand. Man, I mean, honestly, it's been great being up here in Chiang Mai. I've been getting a lot of stuff done, especially outside of this. I do web design and digital marketing, social media marketing. I do that with my personal brand. I have my own business. So it's been nice kind of staying focused on that stuff while I've been here. It's really sunny today. It's a beautiful day today. Alright, I got a couple tips for you guys how to stay motivated while you're living abroad or in Thailand. Make sure you're eating good, you guys. There's many ways to make sure you're eating good. Very affordable here, but you got to stay up on your health. You got to make sure your brain is getting the right fuel. That's for sure. And it's very, very accessible. There's a lot of healthy food, very accessible. So that's tip number one. That'll definitely keep you up. Make sure you have all your energy to keep you going through the days. Tip number two, make sure that you have a good circle around you, good community around you. That'll definitely help you stay motivated. Probably the best type of motivation you can have is your support, your community that you have around you. It could be friends, could be family. Just make sure you stay connected, you guys. Just make sure that's always someone within reach that you can talk to at least. Because you never know. With life, it could be with work. That stuff definitely helps, for sure. Tip number three, make sure you set yourself some goals and challenges. It's a bunch of stuff that you can learn while you're out here. For example, what I like to do, what I'm doing with In My Dreams, I love artwork and I love technology. What I've been doing while I've been out here, as you can see, I've been trying to curate and document as much artwork as I can and learn as much about the artwork and the architecture here in Thailand. That's helping me boost my skills about those topics altogether, because that's what I want to learn. And one day I want to be able to teach people about it, as you guys can tell. That's another tip for you guys, how to stay motivated while you're living abroad, wherever you go, or even in Thailand. I just came today to get some papers. That's all I need. Nothing else. Hello, Sawadee-ka. I'm going to get some papers today. Oh, thank you, Sawadee-ka. Thank you, nice to see you. One more tip for you guys. Make sure you stay organized. Make sure you're ahead of the game on planning. That's definitely a big tip. Make sure you have everything organized. All your travel plans, all of your accommodation plans, your finances, all those things. That'll definitely help you stay motivated out here, because if you don't, you guys, you're just going to be stressed out. And if you're stressed out here, you're going to be missing out. You're going to miss out on all the good stuff that Thailand has to offer. So you don't want to come out here unorganized. I'll be making a couple more videos about some things that you guys can use, like applications and websites, things that'll just help you get around in Thailand. I'll do a video on that stuff. Oh yeah, and another tip, you guys. I enjoy the city life But I know not everybody enjoys it. I know some people like to be like a suburb type of area or like a farm type of area. But whatever you do, this is another big tip, just make sure that you have everything that you need like within your reach. That's definitely going to help you stay motivated here in Thailand. One thing you can do is make sure that you at least have things that you need, priorities within reach, because as again, this goes back to number one, you don't want to be unorganized with your lifestyle here or your lifestyle anywhere abroad, because that just causes more stress and that'll just hold you back. So right now, I did get just running some errands, guys, but I am looking for fruit. I just want some fruits. And sometimes there is a guy that has fruit that hangs out here, but I don't see him today. But as we just passed a lunch spot. It's pretty popular. There's a lot of people. But I don't see him out here today. But I did come down to get some fruit. I don't see any. Oh, I see. What is she called? What did she walk out with that? Oh, yeah, we got fruit here today. Yes. We do. Ooh. Take me a watermelon and what is this, orange juice down here? Looks great. I would like a watermelon. Hello, can I have one watermelon? And then I'll take an apple too. Thank you so much. Okay, 30 baht. I have those 40 baht. Yes, thank you so much. Cup and cup. Thank you so much. Have a beautiful day. All right. Now I'm super happy I got the fruit that I want. As I was just saying, make sure you have the things that you need within reach, guys. Like, quick example, I love fruits, so right outside of where I'm staying, you know, there's food available for me, the food that gets me around. Now this spot right here, guys, this is a food spot here, but it's actually very, very good. As you can tell, there's a lot of people. But it's legit, like in one of these holes in the walls. You know, like we have in America. If there's a hole in the wall, bro, and there's a line like this, that's how you know it's good. So they had a lot of fried stuff and soup and all types of noodles. Lots of Thai food right there. There's a cafe here right next to us. And then here's the building I'm staying in right here. We're up there. But 7-Eleven's right here too. As you can see, this is 7-Eleven. But yeah, guys, just wanted to make a quick video today. And how you guys, if you guys are actually planning on living abroad, and how you can stay motivated while doing this stuff, because man, living in a place like this, you're gonna want to stay on top of everything, because there's so many opportunities you don't want to miss out on while you're out here, and you want to be up for it. But yes, you will have, you know, those times where you need to, you know, rest, just like everyone. Thank you for coming back to another episode of In My Dreams. And thank you guys for 300 subscribers. I appreciate that. We're actually above that now. We're actually at 320 some subscribers now. Really appreciate it. But yeah, guys, that's actually going to be it for today's episode. Thank you for coming back to watch another episode of In My Dreams. It's a place where I'm living mine, and I'm going to teach you how to live yours too, because that's what life is about. And I'll see you guys soon on the next episodes. This weekend we have Chiang Mai Flower Festival. I'm super excited for that. And then next week, Bo's coming back. It's going to be Bo's birthday. And then Valentine's Day is coming up, you guys. So, we got a couple more episodes coming through. And then at the end of the month, I'll tell you about the end of the month. We got some good things coming at the end of the month. So stay tuned, guys. I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.